Guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix Meta AI app login error problems. So let's start. In your case that you have the problem to log into your Meta app, what I recommend you to do is clear all data from the app. How you can do it? Well, I will show you with another app because I don't install this app yet. But what you can do is go to settings, and here on settings just scroll down and let's go to apps. Here on apps, let's go to manage apps. Here on Manage App, you have to select the Meta AI app that will help you to fix the problem. So you have to wait a little bit until all the apps appear here. When it appears, you have to fix it. So wait, guys, a little bit. Then you select the app. In this case, for example, I will select this one, okay? So when you do it, let's go to clear all data and then just can click on clear all data on your apps. So in that way, you will give a refresh to the app and then try to open again the app and try to log in. So that's the way to do it, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.